this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all your browsing data history or information on Firefox browser app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So to do so, it is quite simple. You can just go ahead and tap on these ellipses. Now we have here the first option, which is to clear history. The problem is if you clear history, you'll not have cleared all the data or the data on your Firefox mobile browser. To clear your history, go ahead and choose this option called settings. And under settings, scroll down until you see this option, delete browsing data. If you go ahead and tap on it, we have here options that you can use. And you can see you can choose to delete all the open tabs, browsing history, cookies, cache, and any other site permission as well as downloads. So if there is any information that was left, you can go ahead and select it. Now for my case, you can see I had cleared history, but we still have other forms of data. Now to clear all the browsing history or data, go ahead and choose delete browsing data and then confirm by delete. And that will go ahead and delete all browsing data on your Firefox mobile browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.